Millicell ERS 3.0 Digital Voltohmmeter takes under 5 minutes to set up. Here we will show you how easy it is to set up and use the ERS instrument. Your Millicell ERS comes in a box with a safety sheet guide and the Millicell ERS 3.0 Digital Voltohmmeter instrument. Inside the box there is also the Wi-Fi USB adapter, as well as a case that contains the standard electrode probe and the verification device. The box also contains a power adapter for AC power. Once you take the instrument out of the box and into the hood, begin by plugging in the provided power supply to the properly labeled port on the back side of the device. Turn the instrument on. You will see a welcome screen appear on the touchscreen display. Plug the wireless network adapter into the USB port on the back panel of the instrument. Then go to Settings on the touchscreen and click on Check Verification. Once complete, plug the verification device into the port labeled Sensor. Your instrument is taking measurements properly if it reads 5,000 ohms and 25 Celsius. Prepare your plate and inserts for measuring. You can now connect the probe to the sensor port of the device. Use Quick Capture mode for instantaneous TEER measurements. This mode measures temperature and resistance at the same time, with the option to tear a background or buffer value and save measurements with the Save and Next button. When finished, the data collected can be easily exported to a USB drive. Other measurement modes export data directly to the Millicell Cloud. Cloud setup and navigation instructions are covered in Chapter 4. For more information, please contact your account manager or visit our website.